Hello and welcome back to the Dividend Experiment. Today we're going to talk about the W-8ben form and why you need to fill it out. If you're an American or a US citizen, then you probably don't know what a W-8ben form is, and you don't need to. In fact, you can just skip this video. Feel free to leave a like because I just saved you Americans some time. Okay, so if you're still here, then this video is going to explain just how important filling out the W-8ben form is for dividend investors. If you are not a US citizen, you are still permitted to buy US stocks on the US stock exchange. Think of all those great companies that call the USA their home. They are some of the biggest and best companies in the world, with a huge, rich market. As foreign investors, we should consider ourselves very fortunate that they allowed us to buy these companies. However, the US government isn't just letting us buy these stocks out of the kindness of their heart. Oh, they want their cut too. They want to take 30% of the money we receive from our US income sources. Now, this is not ideal for us dividend investors at all. Let's take a look at exactly what it means. A 1% yield becomes a 0.7% yield. A 2% yield becomes a 1.4% yield. A 5% yield becomes a 3.5% yield. And a 10% yield becomes a 7% yield. And well, yeah, you get the point. So what can we do about this? Well, this is where the W-8ben form comes in. If we fill in one of those, then we cut the 30% withholding tax in half, bringing it to the much more manageable 15%. Ideally, we would be paying zero, of course, but 15% is worth the exposure to US companies in my opinion, especially on the dividend experiment where we're looking at the high starting yields to begin with. So how do we fill in one of those W-8ben forms? Well, luckily for me, I use Hargreaves Lansdown Stocks and Shares ISA, and you only need to answer a few questions and it will be filled in for you. The broker website won't actually let you buy US shares unless you fill in the form. If you're using another online broker with a Stocks and Shares ISA, then it'll probably be the same. It'll be a case of you answering a few questions and the broker will take care of the rest. However, if you really are required to fill it in yourself, then I've attached a link with the form and the instructions in the pinned comment below. As you can see, filling in a W-8ben form will be really beneficial to the gains we get in the future. Thanks for watching. I would love and appreciate a subscribe or a like or a comment. Even a mean comment would be okay. I hope to see you on the next video. See ya.